Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Vocational Door, and today we will be discussing again a famous interview problem, which is best time to buy and sell stock. So in first glance it might seem bit difficult, but it's not like that. It's a very easy problem. We'll discuss it now. So in this problem, you will be given a array of prices and its indexes will represent days, like on on a single day what is the price of the particular stock, and we need to calculate the maximum profit by choosing a single day to buy the stock and choosing a different future date to sell the stock. So like this, input prices will be given like 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. So it means like on day 1 this is the price, then day 2 and so on. So we need to analyze like at what day we will buy the stock at the minimum price, and then in the future date we need to sell that so that we can earn the maximum profit. So this is all about the problem. So now we will understand the problem in graphical way. So as we can see, this is our array 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. So I have represented it like that. So on day 1 the price is 7, on day 2 it's 1, and so on. And we need to calculate the maximum profit here. So how we can get the maximum profit when we will buy the stock at minimum price? So as we can see, the minimum price is here at day 2. So on day 2, like we can say it's the minimum. So this is our min point. And on day 3 we can say it is more than that, which is good. Then on day 4 it's went on bit dip, and then on day 5 I can see it is the maximum possible point after our buy point, which is the value of 6. So this will become our max point. So what will be the actual profit here? On the fifth day the price is 6, and on day 2 it was 1. So the profit will be 6 minus 1, which will be 5. This can be the maximum profit. So the approach will be simple, like we need to find one minimum value, and then we need to find the maximum value after that, because we can sell the stock only in the future date. So in this way, when our profit will be maximum across the array, that will be our final result. So this is like that. Okay, so now we have understood about the problem and what it demands. So now we will discuss about the approach. So approach is going to be very simple for that. What we need to calculate, it is the maximum profit. So we will initialize its value as 0, and we will initialize one more integer value as profit, which we will calculate based on the different values of the array. And also we will set the buy price as the maximum possible value, so that we can replace that. Our buy price is going to be the minimum price possible in the entire array, after which we are having any bigger value than that. Suppose if this one was at the last position, then that will not become our buy price, because after that we cannot sell that, because we will sell at the future day. So our buy price will be the minimum value among the buy price whatever we have defined, and the actual price when we will be traversing through the array. And then we will calculate the profit. So we know how to calculate the profit. It will be the price, which is the sell price on the current day, and minus the buy price. So sell price minus buy price will become our profit. And in that way we will update our maximum profit also, whatever we will use the max function for that. So if the maximum profit and profit in these two, whatever the maximum value will be there, that will get updated here. And after the iteration will be completed for entire array, we will be having the value of our maximum profit. So that will become our final result. So this is the simple approach for that. Now, since we have discussed the approach, so it's time to code actually. So we will solve it into the lead code itself. So as I said, first we need to initialize our buy price, and we will give it maximum possible value. So which will become integer dot max value in the array. And then we need to initialize our max profit, which is going to be the final result for us. So we will set it as 0 initially. We will initialize one profit also, which we will calculate based on our array iteration. So we will set it 0. Now we can use for each loop here. So since we know array is consisting of the integer value, so we can give int val for each value of prices. Here I am typing everything by myself because we need to practice this. We need to type everything on this LeetCode or the compiler so that we can solve the problems in real-time interviews. So now the for loop is initialized. So now we can track our buy price. So our buy price will become, we will use min function. So it will be math.min, and it will be either buy price or the current value in the array. And once this will be calculated, we can calculate the profit after that. That will be the current value, which will be the sell price minus buy price. So it will be like that. And after this, we need to update our max profit. So our max profit, here we need to use max function because we need to calculate the maximum possible value. So either it will be the max profit or profit which we have calculated currently. So once it will be updated, so each iteration will keep track of it. So it's like that. And finally we need to return our max profit. So code is completed mostly, and this is very simple approach to solve this problem. So we will execute our code and see if test cases gets passed or not. So it is executing. Yeah, we can see cases got passed. Now we need to submit to know if all the cases, edge cases and everything is getting passed or not. Okay, so here we can see everything got passed. So this logic is correct. So thank you everyone, and let me know your feedbacks for the videos. Thanks. Keep learning.